In this video, I'm going to show you how to register on IFX Brokers. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to ifxbrokers.com, and then over here in the middle of your screen, you'll be able to see it's going to say Start Trading. Click on this button here, and this is going to take you to a separate page here, which is the registration page, and that's exactly what you were looking for. So here, just tick up here if you are an individual or a company, and then you have to put in your details, your name, surname, email, password, etc. And whenever you do that, make sure you actually accept these things here at the bottom. Click I'm not a robot, and then you want to click on register now. And whenever you click on that button, it's going to basically send you an email onto your selected email address that you put in up here. It usually basically arrives in around a minute, so just go to your email address, wait for the email, and in there you'll be able to confirm your account. And whenever you confirm your account via the link inside your email, you'll get the access to your client dashboard, where you can then go ahead and get your account verified, upload your documents, basically submit the application process, and you'll be good to go. Your account will be registered and ready to roll. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.